YouTube for the web on the desktop has had a transcription feature for some time now, with many mobile users wondering when or if the feature would ever launch for the mobile application. That time seems to be right now, as some people are seeing a big Show Transcript button under the video description section when viewing a YouTube video. This is a great move from YouTube, as some people can really benefit from this type of feature. So far, it seems a bit less useful than the desktop counterpart, due to the fact that we cannot search through the transcript. However, the words in the app are all timestamped, so you can follow along or simply skip to a part of the video that mentions something you are interested in. If Google has rolled out this feature to your device, then you can find it by opening up the Android application and then finding a video that you would like to test it on. So while playing a video, you're just going to want to tap the down arrow next to the title to bring up the video description. And then right below the video description, you should see this Show Transcript button. If the video has been set up with chapters, then you're likely going to see the Show Transcript button right below those chapters. So you can see the transcript is following along with the video with certain timestamps that we can actually use to go back to earlier parts of the video, or that we can use to skip ahead to later parts in the video where you see they are mentioning something you are interested in. And you can see it kind of works as like a karaoke machine, where it will advance to the next sentence or next few words after a few seconds so that you can follow along. It shouldn't matter which videos you look at. As all of the YouTube videos should support this feature once it has been unlocked on your device. And so you're going to see it's going to follow along just like it did in the previous video I had shown you. Now, I'm not seeing this feature available across all of my devices. In fact, I'm seeing people who are unable to access this feature on any of their phones or tablets. But I do see it on my Google Pixel 6 with the YouTube app on version 17.09.33. Even while some have tried installing the latest beta builds while still not being able to see the feature. So with this, Show Transcript button is not version dependent per se. It's not like you can install a certain version and instantly have access to this feature. Instead, this feature seems to be enabled via a server-side switch, which means that Google seems to be rolling out the feature to a small subset of their user base. And over time, the company will gradually roll out the feature to more people, assuming the feature does not have any critical bugs. So that means it could take a few weeks for you to get this new feature on your YouTube application. I would like you all to use the comment section below to let me know if you have access to this new YouTube feature. I'm curious to see what the ratio is of users who are able to access this feature versus those who are not. It may even help to share which device and which Android version you're currently running, as I'm only seeing this feature on my Google Pixel 6 right now, running the Android 13 developer beta.